Hi guys, today we're going to be doing some Christmas decorations. We have a special guest, Mom. Just kidding, it's the other way around. I'm the special guest, she's the owner. Hi.
And why are you out of breath?
I was running with my dog.
If you are just tuning in, we are counting down the days to Christmas with a video a day. And this guy has popped in and now popped out and popped back in. I'm guessing he's gonna pop out again. Come back. Oh, what's the dog doing? Okay. Okay, if you're just tuning in, we are working on 25 days of Christmas videos, one a day, counting down the days until the big day.
The Rosemary little like hangings.
Yeah, we made little rosemary wreaths. And I love this project because you need rosemary, a pair of scissors, and some twine. And that's it. We're taking rosemary, wrapping it into a wreath shape, tying it with a piece of twine. I think you could probably tie one around it and that just be your main string, but I kind of like having a little bit extra twine on this. I think it makes it extra pretty. Therefore, I'm tying that one on, giving it a long piece, and we're gonna use some washi tape to apply this to the wall as a backdrop for our cold bois or our smorgasbord or our cold table, whichever one you want to call it, and those drinks. If you remember, those were 2 days prior, and we're putting it all together today.
My twine.
Here, do you want me to tie one of these together for you? And then you can tie that on. You just have to kind of tie it at the top.
And guys, I love my mom. She's so creative. She's very helpful in many ways.
Aw, thanks. Okay.
No matter where I am with her, she's always there to help.
You just need the one, this one. I know, how easy is that? Louie's back, wreaking havoc. See, that one's not perfectly shapen and I don't care because that is what makes it look authentic. I thought we were gonna use all those sticks. I had those sticks sitting on the table this whole time because I thought we were gonna use the sticks and it was just weird. I thought I was gonna make stars and it was like, it was a no-go.
You know what we could do with the sticks?
What?
We could line them out. We could maybe like get a long stick and then hang all of these on them.
Ooh. You know what? We did that. Remember we did that for Halloween with the bats. And we still have those hooks in the wall. Can you go run down to the basement and get the stick with the bats and we'll take the bats off and put these on it.
Wait,
He's scared of the basement. He doesn't want to go down there. Am I right?
Yeah.
I'll go down with the basement. Okay, we're gonna go down to the basement and grab our big stick and take these guys into the other room where we are setting our table. We'll see you over there.
We're gonna play elevator music while we're gone.
All right, sing the elevator music.
Bum bum ba bum bum ba bum bum ba bum. Woo! Bum bum ba bum bum. Please subscribe and like, do both, and comment below which project was your favorite. Cold table, drinks, and some decorations.
What was your favorite?
My favorite, honestly, was the ginger ale.
I had to refill the cups. He'd already drank the whole thing and I kept having to refill the cold table because you kept stealing it. And I kept stealing cheese.
Make sure to go to our Instagram, send us pictures of what you guys did. If you guys try and do this again, please send us a picture of what yours.
Yes, and hashtag Cozy Holiday 2018. There you go. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.